Hi, my name is Anya and I really want to show you how to make a twisted chocolate loaf. I hope you enjoy this video. If there's any other videos you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section below and don't forget to give this video a like.
To start, in a bowl with 270 grams of flour, add in 50 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Give it a good mix. Next, add in a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, a half a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix. Add in 70 grams of softened butter, 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix until the dough is elastic but still sticky. Add mixture to some flour and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes or until a smooth and elastic dough forms. Cover and allow it to rise for 1 hour. While the dough is rising, make the filling. In a pot, add in 57 grams of butter, a quarter cup of cream, and 4 ounces of chocolate. Add to medium heat and stir until the chocolate and butter have melted. Remove from the heat and add in 45 grams of icing sugar and 15 grams of cocoa powder. I added mine off camera. Mix until everything is well combined. Allow this mixture to cool completely. Roll the dough out into a rough rectangle. Spread on the cooled chocolate mixture, leaving some space on the outer edges. Roll the dough up and cut down the middle. Roll the 2 halves over each other multiple times to form a twisted look. Place into a lined loaf tin and allow it to rise for 1 hour. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. While the loaf is in the oven, start with the syrup. In a pot, add in 30 grams of sugar and 40 ml of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Once the loaf comes out the oven, poke the loaf with a fork and pour the syrup over the loaf. This just ensures that we end up with a moist loaf. Allow it to cool completely before cutting into it. And enjoy!